Amber Capone, co-founder and CEO of VETS.
I'm Marcus Capone. I'm the co-founder of VETS, Veterans Exploring Treatment Solutions. I graduated college in 2000 and enlisted in the U.S. Navy. I became a Navy SEAL. I spent 13 years on active duty, deploying to the Middle East in both Afghanistan and Iraq. Went to graduate school and then transitioned out of the military and jumped in the private sector. Had some post-transition struggles, like many veterans do, and especially many in the special operations community. And I had really tried for years kind of traditional approaches to mental health care. I was prescribed antidepressants and talk therapy for many years with little to no real effect.
During Marcus's time in the SEAL teams, he lost many friends and teammates. And as a spouse, I was really struggling just surviving, the war deployments, not realizing that the biggest battle would be the transition out of the military. And it felt really overwhelming. Marcus tried every treatment that was offered to him through Western healthcare and was on prescription medications that were making his symptoms worse. I was desperate to help him, and I knew that he was struggling with thoughts of suicide. And so a friend recommended that he go to Mexico and try a treatment called ibogaine. I'd never heard about it, but I trusted this person and was willing to try anything at that time. And so I was able to convince him to go, thinking that it would buy us a bit more time to continue trying things here in the United States. And we were both just absolutely astounded when his suffering seemed to come to an end almost immediately, and we were able to completely regain our lives.
ARPA-H is really focused on data and outcomes, and you pair that with the anecdotal stories of individuals doing these treatments, and I think it's a recipe for success.
What I see with ARPA-H and the initiatives like Evident is a boldness and a willingness to act, a willingness to stand in the gap and help those who are suffering. And that's the work that we're doing every single day.